I am a shopaholic. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal, and for today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything I got online during quarantine. So if you're ready, let's go. Before I forget, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video. Okay, let's go. Okay beauties, so I don't know where to start. We'll see how this turns out. I'm not sharing the order that I bought these in because I don't really remember. I just know it's all because of quarantine. So first off, if you've seen my makeup tutorial using the ABH Novena Volume 4, then you know I had to order it. It is the most gorgeous palette. Listen, I know you might be thinking, what's so great about this palette? Those colors, I've seen them in every single palette, blah, blah, blah. But when I tell you the Novena formula is just so pigmented. It's definitely made differently because it's so pigmented, so smooth, nothing is chalky, everything is just so easy to blend. It is, if I could taste it, I feel like it would be the most delicious, like macaroon ever. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, check out my Instagram tutorial. I will link my Instagram down below for you guys. Back to the haul. I got these two from the ABH website. I know you're thinking, I've never seen that palette before. These are actually magnetic palettes. So I ended up depotting some palettes for influencers I don't support. While I paid good money for those palettes, I'm not gonna throw them away necessarily. I didn't want to throw the eyeshadows away, but I did want to get rid of the palette itself so that when I show it on Instagram, it's not that person's name. So I got this beautiful like glittery neon. It is such a good high quality heavy duty palette. And I got this really pretty like leopard holographic color for my contour stuff. I also bought a sharpener. I have a sharpener from probably from when I was in high school, and that thing is still good, but I wanted something with a case on it. And also I needed to do like $26 purchase from ABH to get free shipping, so I was like, perfect. Okay, next up, I got annoyed because during the holidays, Milk Makeup came out with this little set, and it was like a mascara, the brow gel, and the lip balm for $25, which is the price of just the mascara. And I was being really stingy and greedy, and I didn't buy it. And then when I finally decided I was gonna get it, they sold out everywhere, and they had it online when I went through and looked recently. So I bought the set, $25 at Sephora, best purchase. Okay, I had bought this like at home dip gel kit, and I couldn't get it right. I still am learning, but I felt that if I got like an electric nail file, it would be a lot easier. It has to be connected to the outlet for it to work. It's not one of those just like battery operated. It did come with this little set of the different nail files, and then this bag, and I think like a little brush. It was really cheap and it works really well. I really like it. So definitely recommend this. I got this off of Amazon as well. Oh my god, I totally forgot to bring these upstairs, and I'm a little lazy now. I bought these things called Veggie Bags, and we bought them because it is so humid here. Even if you have your veggies in the refrigerator, they get really ugly. We feel like they do last a little longer, but I don't know. I don't think I actually like checked it out to see if like there is a difference. They were pretty cheap. Okay, next up. I bought this, and I honestly have not used it. It is really cool. A reading light. Listen, I love books. I love books. I love reading. I love learning. I'm just lazy, you know? So I decided if I buy this, I will want to read more because I won't have an excuse like, oh, my husband's already asleep, like I don't want to go downstairs. I just clip this to my book, and then you turn it on here. It's super bright, and then you can dim it, change the colors. It's great. It lights up really nicely. You can, you know, bend it or whatnot. You don't even have to bend it that much. It just lights up really nicely. Probably bought this in April. I haven't used it, but I will. I will. Tonight, I'm going to use it. So I saw I Love Sarai talk about this product. This is the Topic Hairline Optimizer. You're supposed to use it with the actual product, and I figured, okay, I could just do like gel. Oh, I haven't tried it. Maybe if I use my ABH Dip Brow Gel, and then, you know, kind of like go through it. I'll see. That might work. I was like, okay, I'm gonna use powder, and I used powder, and it didn't do anything. It was really cheap. I just need to actually buy the actual Topic product. I'm sure this works well. I just have not actually used it properly. The next thing, which was a total waste of money. So I clench my jaw at night, and it's gotten to the point where I get really bad headaches in the morning. I wake up with terrible, terrible headaches. So I figured, okay, did some research, and there's two things that apparently have proven to be effective. One is Botox in the masseters, which I can't afford right now, but I will be doing it at some point. The second is a mouth guard. Listen, I used this once, and I woke up with it on the other side of the bed. I know that's kind of gross, but it's just not comfortable. It molds really well. Like, this brand itself was really good. Like, it did what it was supposed to do as far as the molding and stuff, but no, sorry, I'm not doing it. It was such a waste of money, and I hate myself for doing it, but I think it's only $15, so what you gonna do, right? You live, you learn. Adios. Okay, my next purchase. This was a great idea. It was $10. So it's a CD organizer. Yeah, I don't know how old you are, but we have a bunch of DVDs, and they were taking up so much space in the TV stand. So now that I put them in here, I can put all of our board games in that area, because we have so many board games, and I just don't think that they look pretty where they are. So I can just stick them in there and then close it, and it's done. Definitely, if you have DVDs, I recommend. I think this is like fit 80 in them, but there's some with more. And even if I had to have bought two, it would have been totally less than having all these CDs there. And yes, we pretty much filled it all up except for maybe like 3 or 4 pages front and back. So the next purchase, my husband and I had our anniversary in April, and so he bought me some AirPods, and literally the day he bought me AirPods, I went and I bought this on Amazon. I am obsessed with Hello Kitty. I've always loved Hello Kitty, so I had to get one. It's super cute. It's like that hard silicone, or I don't know, it's just like the gummy one. It fits really cute. I have not had any problems with it. I love it. I love the Happy Planner stuff. So I actually have a Happy Planner, but I wanted to buy a Happy Notes because I wanted to be able to write in the lyrics for the ukulele songs that I learned. And this way I can pull them out or rearrange them however I want. What's great about Happy Planner is that you can pull off really easily and stick in really easily. So I love Happy Planner. If you don't have a planner or a notebook, you need to get one. This one was like $10, I think. I stopped wearing jewelry for the longest time, like for years. And I wanted something now that I wanted to pick up wearing jewelry again. I wanted something where I could travel with, because I'm gonna be moving off the island soon, and it seems like I'm gonna be living out of my luggage for a while. So it's this little jewelry case. It's really cute. It's super soft on the outside, and the inside is like that jewelry bags material. It's got the clasps here for your necklaces and you know, you can hold them down. This is like that stretchy material. It's got the pockets there. You can pull this off like I have it here for your earrings. It has a zipper pocket in here, another zipper pocket over here, some more areas to hang stuff. It's got for the rings, you can pull it off. It's just super versatile. I spent very little money on this, and it was honestly one of the best purchases, because right now this is actually where I have all my jewelry, like you can see, and I just have it laying flat, closed or open on my dresser. I don't really care, and it is perfect. Okay, so my next purchase was actually off of Etsy. So I think my last 3 purchases are from Etsy. We're almost there, I promise. I really wanted like a cute passport wallet. I ordered this custom. I picked the color, I picked the pattern. They also added my name, and it has 4 little slots for your card, your debit, credit card, whatever. So I wanted it because I wanted it to fit in a little bag. That way, you know, when I'm home in El Paso, we'll be going to Mexico quite often and whatnot, and I could just have everything in one wallet, and I am not fearful of losing anything, whether it be in my luggage or staying at my grandma's or my dad's or whatever, like just back and forth. My in-laws, I just wanted something, and this is so special because it's super cute, and you know, I customized it. It was such a great purchase, and I feel like it was the same price as just like any other wallet. And the guy was so sweet, he sent it in a little drawstring baggie. So my next purchase, which was one of the reasons why I wanted something small like this, was this little bag. I wanted a cute like leather crossbody bag that was going to be small and compact for my travels. I don't want to carry a whole bunch of purses, which is what I usually do. So this time I've determined I'm only carrying 1 purse and 1 backpack, and that is it. Because I'm serious, I will pack like 3 purses. So this is the purse. This is the color that I picked. It's really nicely made. It's got this pocket in here. The color is just beautiful. It's got the adjustable little strap, so I'm pretty sure you can make it more like a shoulder bag. Yeah, waited like almost a full month, but I love it. And last but not least, I bought this. It's so pretty and it's so meaningful. So I bought this t-shirt. It's We Will Rise Together. And I don't know, I just really love the artwork. I bought it because it reminded me of my daughter. And so I wanted to support the brand, and she obviously makes great quality t-shirts. It's just beautiful. So that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the quarantine haul madness. If you want to see my clothing hauls, check them out. They'll be linked down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Till next time, beauties.